Hey guys, it's Trevor Jamie here, and today, I made a coffee balloon. I put my coffee inside a balloon with my own version of chemical warfare. So